Hello, this is Victor, RestoreMercedes.com. This video is for David in Rhode Island. Okay, David, so this is your throttle body. Let me shut down another one. There, this is not the throttle body, it was being tested. Okay, the noise. You see it's buzzing. I'll show you activation in a minute. The reason why I want to make this video right now is that my computer is connected, so I can actually show you readings on the computer. This is your original module. As you can see, original 124 part number. Diagnostic power, so you need negative on terminal number, let me read, terminal number 3. That's where your ground is. You can see number 3. And 52, I believe 51 or 52. 52 you can use for power. As you can see, once you get the power to this, then it is active. Your throttle is active. So these are the readings, because again, the readings must come in. These are your readings. If I open the throttle plate, reading changes, the actual value. The one at R2, that's different. That's not going to change unless I move the actual gearing, so the gears inside, but that doesn't matter at this moment. For idle purposes, it is perfectly fine. The second very important reading here is this reading right here. This is 9.8 volts, whatnot. So it might change a little bit here and there, but this is fuel safety fuel shut-off reading. Now, if you have no voltage here when the unit is off, for example, then you're gonna have that 1200 RPMs, 1300 RPM fuel cut off. So you press on the gas, manually opening the throttle body, just like that. And if you don't have voltage coming out from your module, from TLLR, from the TLLR module right here, well, this module is supposed to send voltage to HFM module, to the main computer, to actually give it fuel. So therefore, if there is no voltage, the main computer limits your RPM. So the voltage changes, I think it has to be between 7 and 10, 7 and 11, or something along those lines. So as you can see, we're like around 903, whatever, but this is perfect, this is fine. So now I can show you the activation of the throttle by putting on and off power to your computer. So here we go. Shut it down. Throttle's off. So let me show you how it jumps open. Well, not jump open, actually jumps close for a sec. But you can see it, you can hear, you can feel it. Another thing is the computer makes distinctive clicking when the power is active. That's a relay activating it. So relay activates the computer, and when everything is good, then it activates the throttle. If something is wrong with throttle, relay clicks and shuts down. For example, if I unplug the throttle body here, just let's mimic that. We have something wrong with throttle body. So this is what we're going to hear from the computer. You heard that faint click of a relay and shutting down of a relay. So as you see, computer activates. I'm plugging it back in here. Computer activates, throttle activates, buzzes and everything. So I don't see a problem here. Everything seems to be just fine. So this is a working combination. So there's something wrong in your car. You have to find out why there is no power going to the computer. I'm thinking that there is something to do with power going to this very module. So you obviously check at pin 3, pin 52. Those two pins are the ones that you can apply power to this computer. Well, number 3 is negative, 52 is positive. So if there is no voltage going there, something is wrong. Second thing is, If something is wrong with the loom that connects the throttle, as you can see, this is my my own made wiring loom here that connects this connector right here, that's on your car side, to the throttle connector, that's on the throttle side. Okay, so that is all for now. So it is a working combination, everything works. I do have codes from your computer. See if I can re-establish the connection here. Let's see if I can read fault codes, fault memory. Now, your control module itself does not show any codes for throttle body, but speed sensor from ABS module, stop lamp switch, the module itself, you see, and fuel safety shut off switch signal 4, and this is HFM, that's the main computer. So it tells me that you have no voltage to the main computer. Stop lamp switch, I mean, that's maybe from disconnecting the computer. Wheel speed sensor, that again also could be a glitch by disconnecting the computer. And the module itself, well, obviously when you plug it and unplug it, but there is no code for anything to do with throttle body. As you can see, its throttle is clean, so there's definitely something to do with the module being just off. I mean, I think it's just because it's off, therefore it's just not working. So let's just try to do ignition on off. But this is makeshift kind of thing, so let's do it. Let me just undo the power. I want to try to give you this module when it's cleared of codes. So let's try to read codes again. There will be some codes, of course, communication codes, because no other computers are connected. So let's see. Yeah, so obviously no other computers are connected, so CAN is communication, and obviously we have nothing to communicate to, it's just standalone. So therefore we have this code, and this will not go away. But again, see, other codes went away, so now it's all clean, ready to go. Activates and it works. So now this is the speed sensor codes that it came up for one of them, but we don't have obviously any kind of speed and no engine RPMs. There is no communication. At least it reads 0, so that's already good. And again, regular values for potentiometers. So we are in good shape. I mean, it is a working combination. I don't see it being something wrong with it. Okay, so power, that's the thing you have to look for. Power issue. Alright, so I'm gonna wrap this up, pack it up, mail it back to you. So this is all for now. This is Victor at RestoreMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.